What's up, guys? I am super duper excited. I am headed to get laser. So I just arrived to my appointment. I am running exactly on time, so I need to hurry up before I am late. But I'm gonna get laser tattoo removal. I literally want laser everywhere. I want laser hair removal, laser tattoo removal, all of that. And this is the place I'm gonna come. So this is it. Hi. I have a 3:30. Okay, so I just arrived for my appointment. They brought me right back. Everything seems to be nice and cool. I'm so excited. This is the room here. They have a nice TV for you to watch. And so today I'm gonna start off with laser tattoo removal. I have a tattoo here and also one here that I want to get removed. So they're gonna start with the numbing cream.
Hold it like that for once.
Okay. Okay, so I just got numb. I'm sitting on a nice bed and it's actually pretty comfy. So this tattoo is getting removed and so is this one. I had a tattoo here and I also had a tattoo here that I no longer want. So tip number one, don't ever get anyone's name tattooed on you. Come in. Don't ever get anyone's name tattooed on you. When your mom tells you don't get tattoos, especially boys' names, she's right. Don't do it. So they brought me a little bit of water and the tattoos have to numb for 30 minutes. So of course I have my phone here. I'm gonna drink my water, get hydrated, and I'm gonna Instagram it up and I will be back. I wonder if I have to wear those glasses there. I think that's gonna be really cool. But of course I'll show you exactly how it goes. So we'll be back in about 30 minutes. So let's get started.
Are your tattoos all black?
Yeah, they're like greenish black.
We'll start with your fingers.
Okay.
So it's a little faded already, so that's...
Yeah, I've had it for probably about 10 years or so.
In my experience, fingers take a lot longer to get rid of.
Okay.
Because you have smaller capillaries here, smaller blood vessels.
Okay.
So it just takes a little bit longer, but it's already faded a good amount, so pretty optimistic about that.
So these make like a huge difference as far as like if you don't wear these, what happens?
It can cause eye damage. It's blocking the wavelength that we're using for your tattoo, and it's gonna protect your eye from any damage.
Okay. Okay.
You're gonna let me know when and if you need a break, okay?
Okay.
We just say stop and we'll take a break.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'll just keep going. This is just cold air. It's gonna help with pain. We'll see how much.
So
Ready? 1, 2, 3. You okay?
Yeah. Wow.
That was spicy.
It actually did a lot.
So,
Wow.
frosting that you see,
Oh, it's something on top.
it's just frosting.
Frosting. Oh, I was gonna say wow.
I know, I'm like, I should have told you before. Everyone gets so
Oh no.
excited. So yeah, it's just frosting, and basically what that means is that it's just the reaction of the initial ink when it got hit.
Okay.
It'll probably go away by today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Latest.
Makes sense.
And it'll be this like almost the same color as what it was before.
Okay.
The fading will take place over time. It does
Makes
take
sense.
a couple of months. Okay.
So how many sessions do you think?
Probably that one, maybe 8 sessions.
Okay.
But the longer you space them out, the better. So,
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I know we normally say like 8 to 10 weeks between sessions. I like to tell everybody 10 to 12 weeks between sessions. If you come back every 3 months, you're gonna allow your body to get rid of the ink on its own, and we're gonna zap less.
Oh, okay. See,
So
makes
you're
sense.
gonna get more bang for your buck, basically.
Okay.
You're gonna get more treatment and less sessions, which you actually paid for.
It wasn't that bad. It was like, it hurt, but like now that it's like over, it's like it's not bad. Yeah.
It's not like a lingering pain. Yeah, because if it's still like lingering, then that's an issue. It shouldn't be like,
yeah, it's over. Yeah.
Alright, so you just gotta keep it gooey at home. You're gonna do Vaseline and hydrocortisone. I'll send you home with some hydrocortisone.
Okay.
And keep it away from the sun.
Okay.
So you're gonna keep it either covered up or just out of the sun as much as you can. Put a sunscreen on it if you can as well. Your skin is beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Like so smooth.
Thank you.
So pretty and like rich. This is gonna cover up this tattoo so it doesn't get treated.
Okay.
Alrighty, 1, 2, and 3.
Doesn't hurt that bad.
You're doing great, honestly. You have a high pain tolerance.
Yeah, I think so, because this doesn't hurt.
And it's definitely treating it because you can hear it and see it. So it's, yeah, you're doing great.
This one was painful. This one, like I can feel it, but it just feels like, I don't know, like a rubber band like popping me or something, but it doesn't feel like extreme.
Well, that's the best of both worlds because you got a really great treatment.
I survived. Okay, perfect.
It's a little raised up. That's totally normal.
Okay.
And you're going to keep it nice and gooey with the hydrocortisone and Vaseline at home, okay? And you're going to keep it out of the sun, keep it nice and moisturized, and keep it covered up.
Okay.
Alright.
Perfect. Good to go?
You're good to go.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're so welcome. We'll see you back in a couple of months, okay?
Perfect.
Sorry,
thank you.
Months, right? 3 months.
3 months. 3 weeks. 3 months. Okay. Got it. Okay, so I am finished. And it didn't hurt that bad. Quick OOTD. I have on a cute little Free People dress. And my Chanel slides. And every time Palm Springs.
Hey girlie, how's that?
Hello. Not that bad. Okay, so I am leaving my appointment. I am all bandaged up. I have a bandage here. Now normally I would wear my backpack like this, so it's gonna be super awkward to wear it like this. I feel like this way is just super weird, but my overall experience was super awesome. It wasn't as bad as I thought, and it definitely was super quick. So if your pain tolerance is not that bad, like if you really have a low pain tolerance, I think that because it goes so fast, you'll be okay. So now that I've gotten it done, I'm gonna go home and share my experience with my family. So I'm gonna come back in about 3 months for my next session. I'm gonna be documenting this entire journey. I want you guys to be able to see what it's gonna look like all the way through. Right now, again, it's all bandaged up. So I did forget to get my ointment, so I'm gonna run back in, but I will show you guys what it looks like once I get home and I take everything off. But I am gonna leave it wrapped and bandaged up until the very end of the day. And yeah, I'll show you that. Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of editing and I just realized I'd never showed you guys the tattoos that I'm getting removed. Sorry, the dishwasher is going. This is happening in real time. But this one here, I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bit faded. And then this one here, this is my brother's name actually, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's very illegible. So I want to get it redone like really nicely. But this was like a girls trip. We got tattoos and the tattoo guy was terrible type of situation, and it's kind of raised and it's just kind of an eyesore because it's not nicely done. So like she said, this one's gonna take, I think she said about 10 sessions. Ironically, she said the one on my finger, even though it's thinner and it's lighter, it's gonna take more sessions than this. So I'm very committed. My next appointment is mid-April. I know that it is mid-March now, but I did get this treatment done about almost 3 weeks ago, so it has been a while. So yeah, an update on it. I've been keeping it lubed up, as she said, and I've been just putting tons of Vaseline on it. Also cortisone cream. This one I haven't felt anything from it. I try to, like, when I go to sleep, like, moisturize it or just keep my hands moisturized in general, but because it rubs and touches, it's hard to keep anything on it. So I kind of just, like I said, keep my hands moisturized, and that's how I take care of this one. This one here, sometimes it'll get a little bit itchy, so I think it's just a little bit different of an effect than this one. So sometimes it feels itchy, sometimes it burns. I just try to make sure that I keep it covered when I'm in the sun. So pretty much I'm committed to pretty much the next 10 sessions, which is going to be almost over a year, or actually over a year, that it's going to take to get it completely gone. I'm just committed to not really getting in the sun too much with it, because it'll be worth it in the end. Even like sometimes if I go out and I have on a top like this and I forget, I'll just make sure that my hair is down. It's like, this is really long, but I'll make sure it's covered and try to get back in the sun. But I really haven't had it in the sun at all. I just wanted to give you guys that quick outro and update. Sorry I'm looking crazy. I just finished, you know, filming a hair tutorial. But again, I just wanted to make sure you guys got the outro and know what was going on with it. Vaseline has been the easiest thing to keep on it, and it's like nice and thick jelly. Sometimes I'll try Aquaphor on it. Sometimes I'll put shea butter on it, but just in general, I just like to keep something on it. Because I do kind of feel like sometimes it gets dry. It hasn't peeled or anything like that, or like burned, but sometimes it just has like an irritated feeling. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm sure the next video will be a hair tutorial. I'm also recording some stuff for the coronavirus. I want to do a couple of vlogs with my family and the kids, just to show our experience and, you know, what we're doing, what we're taking, and how we are coping with our quarantine. We are self-quarantined and all of that. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for this journey, because you guys will see this disappear completely. It's gonna take, again, 10 sessions once every 2 to 3 months. So yeah, it's gonna be a long journey, but it'll be worth it, and I hope you guys stick around for the experience. Smooches.